Buddy Quinn, can you say mama?
Mama.
Can you say dada?
Dada.
Can you say nana?
Nana.
Can you tell me what a cow says?
Mama. Mama.
You're silly. Nice top of the head, kiddo. What's a rooster say? Bodhi, what's a rooster say? Oh, you got a mouthful. Where are you going? Bodhi. Can you tell me what a rooster says? That wasn't even close. Come here. Bodhi. Bodhi, what's a snake say?
Nana.
No, what's a snake say? You tell me what a snake says, and then I'll let you have a treat. What's a snake say? Yeah. What does a doggy say? What's a kitty cat say? What's the kitty cat say? The fuzzy thing right here. What's she say?
Meow.
Very good. What other animals do you know? Can you tell me what a horsey says? What's a horsey say? You're bad at this game. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You're a terrible performer.